This stuff not working for you anymore? It's not doing the job? Yeah, me either. Let's try something else. I bought this today. What is this? Been looking at it for a while, and this is an affordable therapeutic percussion massage deep tissue machine by Wahl. It massages up to 3,350 pulses per minute. Check in the text below this video and also in the comments section. I'll provide a link for either this exact product or something similar. It helps me out if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Has variable power, gentle to deep massage. It has different attachments that go on there. It has an ergonomic design. It's supposed to be comfortable and easy to hold. Has an 8-foot cord. It's supposed to be good for deep tissue pain, sore muscles, and tight knots. It has 4 therapeutic attachments so that you can customize your pain relief. We have a 4-finger flex with soft finger-like nodes that replicate a human touch massage. We have a flat disc with an extra wide surface coverage for a large, deep muscle massage. We have an acupoint that targets deep into tissue and pinpoints concentrated areas. Finally, we have a deep muscle that thumps smoothly for a gentle, relaxing massage all over general body use. So in this kit, we have the massager, the 4 attachment heads, and hopefully a cord. Here's the manufacturer's information, and their website has a 2-year limited warranty. Thank you card. I hope I feel better too. We have a quick start guide. Plug it in, put the desired head on, cut it on variable speed, and massage the area. I like that this is thick and doesn't feel like it's going to tear up. So it gives you some instructions. It says this is an aggressive percussion, should not be used on face, head, or upper neck areas. It tells you to massage out from spine to shoulder, start at the biceps and shoulders and move down the arm. Legs, massage the bottoms of feet. Massage each leg from calf on up and over thigh. Chest, massage from center of chest. Back, massage from top of spine to bottom. Abdomen, center out. And joints, smooth circular strokes. Don't massage on or over bones. Important safeguards, blah, blah, blah. How to clean it, how to get service. More on the 2-year limited warranty. And this may qualify for your flexible spending account for some insurance companies. That's good. I really wasn't looking for one with a cord, but the one that was battery operated was not available. So here's our flathead. Here's our targeted one. Here's that, ooh, it feels like people fingers. And this one's already on it. There's the variable speed. Alright. The different attachments are fairly easy to put on. They just screw on like that. Alrighty then. It's pretty heavy. Oh yeah, I can feel that. See if I can show you the difference on the same leg with the different attachments. So this is the pointy one. I can feel that tip in my leg. Finger massage. Just cover a broader area. I don't feel it as deep. Flat one. Which, surprising to me, this one actually gives me the greatest sensation. I would have thought that the little tiny one would, but this one actually feels the best. It gets a large surface area and also gets down deep into my muscle. This one's a little bit more targeted. For me, I like these two the best for my particular sore areas. All right, well, I'm going to go play with this thing a little bit and see if I can get the soreness out of my leg because I have a competition Saturday and sore's not going to cut it. Stronger than I thought it would be. This is disappointing. I used it yesterday, the first day I bought it, for about 30 minutes, and I used it about 20 minutes today, and it just shut off. So I brought it in here, and I've plugged it in. I've let it rest for about 10 or 15 minutes, and now it's working again. So I don't know why it quit working. Maybe it just needed a break, but it got weaker and weaker and weaker, and now it feels like I've got good massage pulse on it again. So if yours stops working, give it a break, and then come back and try it in about 15 minutes. you have time before you go, watch another video. And please leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, share this video if appropriate. And thanks for watching.